Today I am going to be showing you how to get the perfect pocket design when you have a shirt with no pockets. I am going to be using Lush HTV from Vinyl and Tulle Supply, and I'm going to walk you through the way I do it. Some people use rulers to find the center of a pocket, but I like to do it a little bit different. If you're new here, I'm Jamila Payne and I am the face behind Color Me Crafty. Make sure you stick around to the end and drop me a comment below. All right, let's get into it. You're going to need a t-shirt. I have my Lush HTV here at my green sticky mat, Cricut machine, Cricut Easy Press. I have my brayer, a weeding tool, and also my little cooling coaster. On your Lush vinyl, you have two sides. There's a shiny side and a matte side. You're going to put your vinyl down on the mat, shiny side down. And it's a thicker vinyl, so I'm going to use my brayer to make sure that it's down securely on my mat and that those corners aren't rolling up. Okay, let's go ahead and get this cut out. While that's cutting, we are going to prep our shirt. So the way I do that is from the edge of the collar, I fold it down all the way and make sure that everything is nice and straight. And then I give it a nice little press to press a line down there. And you can see the line in the video. So next, we have to grab the cross, the opposite direction. So a little under half way down the sleeve is where I fold, and then I press that, and that just gives me a T shape or a crisscross shape so that I know where center is. Now with cutting this Lush out, I had a few little issues with finding the correct cut settings, so I have to cut it a second time. I tried glitter vinyl with more pressure, and then I tried cardstock, and what ultimately ended up working was heavy cardstock. Well, let's go ahead and get this weeded out. Weeding actually was really easy. Everything came off nice and smooth once I got the cut settings correct. The only thing that I noticed was there were some fibers along the top edge, and I wasn't sure if those would transfer or not. I didn't think they would, but I'm cutting them off just to be safe. So now I'm going to fold down the center long ways and pinch at the top and then pinch again at the bottom. And then I am going to go back and do this lengthways or long ways. And what this does is it's going to give me a guide to use to match up on the lines that we've already put on the shirts. I pressed the Lush at 320 Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. And it's as simple as that. This is how I get a pocket design perfectly centered on a t-shirt that does not have a pocket. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something in this video that you didn't already know. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. See you next time.